Okay, I want to talk about the basic parts real quick. Obviously over there on the left you have the flex plate. On the right you have the engine separator plate. In the middle of the starter hole there's a little spacer that you may need. Then the inspection cover. Then the adapter. Then the crank spacer. Some Loctite. And then hardware. So the gold bolts are 7/16 using a 5/8 socket. Those are all for the bell housing. These down here are for the adapter to the small block. You have several countersunk bolts there, and there. And then these bolts are your crank spacer bolts, so you won't use your flex plate bolts anymore. You'll use these longer ones. And then this is the starter hardware.